Hello bestie, this is everything I did on Christmas Day. Firstly, I woke up and go and have my bath because I cannot be cooking Christmas food with dirty body. So this is me looking so hot. This is chicken my husband killed. So this is me sweeping where I'll be staying to cook because I cannot use gas to cook what I want to cook today. It's too much. First of all, let's pack the dirty. This is my children playing up and down. Everywhere is looking so neat. So this is the easiest way to make fire if you want to cook with firewood. So before that, let's go and sort our chicken out first. Let me allow you to watch this video because it is so interesting. See you guys at the end of this video.
Hey darling, welcome to your favorite channel, One Mega TV. One Mega they clean but it still be flex. Body they roll, vibe they connect, so bubbles fly. Now party for sing, every motion they sweet like drink. Positive energy anywhere she dey. One Mega they vibe even when she alone. No stress, no wahala for face. One Mega they glow steady grace on grace. Now real life, no be acting scene. She dey serve, looks clean and serene. From the kitchen to the bedroom lights, every step she take it, they shine so bright. Fans they talk so we won't be like her. Soft spoken, sweet like sugar. One Mega queen of the home, no cap. Now real woman vibes, don't stop. One Mega they cook, she dey clean, she dey vibe. Soft life steady, she know I do. Every move where she make it, they shine. One Mega the lifestyle queen with the guide. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make sense. Now real woman vibes, so she no fake now. One Mega day for kitchen, the aroma they choke. Any dish you want, she dey cook and best. It goes sense a lie, and the soup you want, she sabi cook them all, and you dey see I'm live. Now real Naija queen, she dey run the pot, but she still get business where they come up flying. Others they drop, money they align. She sabi clown, she dey balance some kind. Family they smile, everything they alright. No shouting, no stress for her zone. One Mega they each other lips, say flip and make your home sweet. And your hustle trend. One Mega be wife, she be mama, she be boss. Say they cook soup, where they make my loss. One Mega kinda like, she dey shine from sure. Now it's like the way you go for your phone more. One Mega they cook, she dey clean, she dey Bible. Soft life steady, she know I do. Every move where she make it, they shine. One Mega the lifestyle queen with the guide. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make sense. Now real woman vibes, so she no fake now. God don't bless, so no pay you well, neck I no be small. Every hustle she touch, she dey stand tall. Grace to follow her steps every day. From sunrise to sunset, she dey pave way. Her business the boom, favor the spread. Anywhere she enter, blessing her head. No be luck, na consistency. One Mega they pray, she dey walk, she dey keep am clean. Family they smile of the overflow.
Would you eat or pass? Can you come over? Let's have this delicious meal together. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.